Question 12. You can use the graph to change between miles and kilometers. Part A. Change 3 miles into kilometers. So you need to get your ruler. Miles are here. You need to draw a line up. And when it reaches that line, go across. So 3 miles is 4.8 kilometers. So 4.8 kilometers. That's worth 1 mark. And the mark scheme says anywhere between 4.6 to 5 would get you the mark. So we put 4.8. Part B says change 60 kilometers into miles. So we need to have a look at the graph. We need to change 60 kilometers into miles. Now the graph doesn't go up to 60 kilometers, it only goes up to 8. But we know that if we can tell from the graph that 8 kilometers is 5 miles. So let me write that down first of all. So 8 kilometers is equal to 5 miles, as miles are bigger than kilometers. So therefore 60 kilometers is going to be 7.5 times bigger than 8 kilometers. I did 60 divided by 8, so let me just write this in. So I've had to multiply this by 7.5, 7.5. So therefore, we're going to have to multiply this by 7.5 as well. So 5 times 7.5, or 7.5, is 37.5 miles. So 60 kilometers is 37.5 miles. And that's it. Now part B is worth 2 marks. The first one is for taking a reading off the graph. In this case, we are used 8 kilometers equals 5 miles. You could have used the graph and looked at how many miles 6 kilometers was as well, and then times it by 10. But I did it this way. And the second mark is, the first mark is for taking a reading off the graph. 8 kilometers equals 5 miles, then multiplying it. And the second mark is for an answer. And anywhere between, from 35 to 40 is enough to get you the last mark. And that's it for question 12.